Hey everybody, it's John from Detect Auto. In this video, I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how to get set up using our onboarding page. This can be found on the left-hand side of the Detect Auto dashboard here, right beneath your shop's name. It's called Shop Onboarding, and when we click on this, that'll pull up the status of our onboarding. There's a bunch of different things you can configure inside of here, like manage your billing and how you've set up your subscription, as well as manage your integrations. To go ahead and get each of these set up, we have instructions laid out for each step, and generally speaking, they're fairly straightforward, but if you do have any questions on the individual steps, reach out to us. Once you've completed a step, all you'll need to do is go ahead and click on one of these check marks here to indicate that that step has been completed. In some cases, we'll even auto-complete that for you, such as setting up your shop management software integration. Once that's completed, our system automatically triggers that. Once we've configured everything to your liking and all of these individual steps have been completed, you can go ahead and request us to start syncing your data. After that step, we do recommend that you schedule a team training session with us by clicking on this link to pull up our training calendar and get set up with the team. If you have any additional questions about how to utilize this onboarding page, feel free to reach out to us, but really the high level goal is we're going to show you how close you are to having everything ready to go with Detect Auto, and if there's something that's not working for you or you're not able to get it completed, again, please reach out to us using our support chat. Thanks.